Take a quick picture.
I don't know, I go around this way.
Yeah, so good.
Time for new adventures.
Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. This is yet another vlog from the Killiney Hill and Dalkey. This time I have brought with me Mitul and this is going to be our last vlog together. I have previously showed you Killiney Hill during the summer and now you will be able to see what it looks like during the autumn. You will also be able to enjoy plenty of drone videos that will reveal some amazing scenery from a bird's eye perspective.
That's it.
You're just going to sit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, like this, yes. But I thought you wanted to go on that stone.
That's a good idea. You gave it.
No, no. You see, Mitul always goes on the edge.
That's where the fun is.
Always goes on the edge. Are you gonna do it here? Just further down, it's a better view.
Of course, but
Hmm?
now is the better time than later.
Both Killiney Hill and Dalkey Hill form part of Killiney Hill Park, which is a small park overlooking both Dalkey and Killini villages. The park was opened to the public in 1887 by Prince Albert of Wales in honor of Queen Victoria's Jubilee and was named Victoria Hill. The hill is 153 meters high and offers spectacular views towards the surrounding areas of Dublin Bay, Irish Sea, Bray Head, Wicklow Mountains, and you can also spot the mountains of Wales on a clear day.
okay. It's okay.
I think he thinks the stick is something to... I don't know, I go around this way, but like it is supposed to, you start here and then, and you go around, and each time you come to this step, you go up one more level, and so you're like going in a spiral to the top,
nice.
and then you can make a wish.
On top of the Killini hill, you will see an obelisk which was built in 1742 to commemorate the victims of the Irish famine. On the way to the obelisk, you will see the Pyramid of Dublin, built in 1852 by Robert Warren, the former owner of Killiney Park and Killiney Castle. You can climb the pyramid to make a wish and enjoy some stunning views overlooking the Irish Sea, Dalkey Island and the Wicklow Mountains. We met this woman who explained to us how exactly to climb the pyramid and make a wish.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Good. Fine.
Right.
Yeah. The dog will carry me down anyway.
Now we are on the way to the Irish Riviera and Vico Baths. Mitul has never been to these places and I wanted to show them to him before he flies home to India. During the summer, the Vico Baths were so crowded that going down the steps was almost impossible. Now I can go all the way down to the water. I will stand there for a moment to admire the waves crashing into the cliffs. It gives me a feeling of serenity. Another interesting landmark just above the cliff is the 7-Air sign. It's a relic of the Second World War and was constructed due to Ireland's neutrality.
Is that a rose or what?
Huh?
Is that a rose or what?
No.
My phone is about to die. We should reach home.
Yeah.
It's so good. It looks like a rose.
Look, it's nice.
This has got to be the smallest house in the area.
So we have arrived to our final destination, which is the Colliamore Harbor in Dalkey, and after this we will be going home. Okay guys, this is the end of my vlog. Now we are going to the Dart and we are going home. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Unfortunately, this is our last adventure with Mitul, but this is life. What can you do? I hope at least we'll stay in touch. We shared some good moments, we filmed a few good videos, and now it's time to go. He's going to India, I'm going at the end of November to Bulgaria. Time for new adventures. Merry Christmas guys, I hope you're all with your families creating memories that will last a lifetime. Love and blessings.
Thank you.